Hey guys, welcome back. So just want to do a quick update on my Aqua Dragons and my sea monkeys on Mars. My Aqua Dragons colony is doing great. I have a lot of adults, babies, and females that are hatching eggs. And my sea monkeys on Mars are doing good as well, actually. After putting some plasma 3 in here the other day, it seems like they are doing a lot better. I see a lot more babies swimming around. I also cleaned the tank recently so I can see a lot better in there. So let's take a closer look.